Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add border and PDF file online. Now for us to get this done, let's go ahead and open small PDF here, and let's go ahead and click the edit here at the top, and then let's drag and drop our file right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and use, say for example, this one right here, dragging and putting it here. There you go. Now, if say for example, I just want to add border to page number one, I can easily do that by using the shape here, rectangle, and you can go ahead and put it here. Now, click this in order for the color to basically turn into a different one. Yeah, this from this point forward, you can then go ahead and start adjusting it. So yeah, just like so, if you are satisfied. Oh, one thing by the way, you can change the opacity here. You can also go ahead and change the border color. So totally up to you. And yeah, once you're satisfied, just go ahead and download it here, and you can go ahead and open it. And as you can see, there is the border now present in page one. Well, not in page two because we didn't put it. But yeah, that's how you're going to add border and PDF file online.